track number 1, my foot. Here we go, see? Okay, we're going to pan on to the trail here. The next track coming up. Ah, dice. Move. Sorry. This distance from here to here is about a foot. Maybe a little more. Maybe 16, 18 inches. Then we go to the next track. There we go again. And dice, you have to move now. Thanks, dice. Here's the next one. Again, these are very evenly spaced from 12 to 18 inches, I guess, apart. The next one. They're getting fainter now. The next one, you can kind of see the talons or whatever digging in more here, I guess. Maybe it's getting ready to fly. But what kind of, I don't know. This is beyond me. But maybe you guys know. This is pretty much the last one. And it goes to here. And then they just disappear. And here's our setting. Foothills in the distance. Sunrise. And absolutely no other tracks, paralleling these except mine. So again, we'll go backwards. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Nee, 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 nee. Anyway, so on back to there. Hope you guys can see this. And maybe I can get a clue. Okay. Dice. Mister. Up there. To the house.